The sum of the first n terms Sn of a particular arithmetic progression is given by Sn is equal to n upon 12, 4n plus 5. Find an expression for the nth term. Okay, so we have to find basically the Tn. So now going to the whiteboard. This is exercise 11.3, question number 15. Given Sn is equal to n upon 12, 4n plus 5, 4n plus 5. So what we will do, we will find S1 at first. So now S1, which is basically, we can call this as A. S1 is equal to 1 upon 12, 4 plus 5. So this will become 9 upon 12, which will be equal to 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. That's right. In the same way, S2 is equal to 2 upon 12, 4 into 2 plus 5, so 13 upon 6. So T2 will be equal to S2 minus S1 is equal to 13 upon 6 minus 3 upon 4. So T2 will be equal to, this will be what? 12, 26 minus 9. 17 upon 12. Okay, so now we can find the difference. Therefore, D is equal to T2 minus T1. So T2 is 17 upon 12 minus T1 is basically A, which is S1. So 3 upon 4, which will be equal to 8 upon 12, and which will be equal to 2 upon 3. Okay, so now we can find Tn, because Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So will be equal to A is 3 upon 4 plus n minus 1 into 2 upon 3, which is D, is equal to 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3n. So this will be equal to 9 upon 12 and 8 upon 9, 1 upon 12 plus 2 upon 3n. And this is the answer. Okay, so this was question number 15. So now we go to the next question, which is question number 16. Question number 16 is a circle is divided into 12 sectors. The sizes of the angles of the sectors are in arithmetic progression. The angle of the largest sector is 6.5 times the angle of the smallest sector. Find the angle of the smallest sector. Okay, so circle is divided into 12. Okay, so now this is question number 16, like this. Like this, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay. Then we can make like this, and so on. Right. So this one is what the first one, and this one will be the second sector, and then so on. Okay. So the 12 sectors, if we add the angles, first angle, second angle, third angle, and then all angles sum must be equal to what? 60 degree. It means that not 60 degree, 360 degrees. So it means then S12. Why S12? Because there are 12 terms or 12 sectors. So the sum of all 12 sectors must be equal to 360 degrees. Okay. Given is that 12th term, which is T12, is 6.5 times of first term. Okay. So if we apply the Tn formula, the last term formula on T12, so this will become A plus n minus 1. N means 12. 12 minus 1 will become 11D is equal to 6.5. T1 is A, A. So this is how 11D is equal to 5.5 A. So D will become equal to A upon 2. D is equal to A upon 2. So we can name this as equation 1. Okay. Now, if we apply the Sn formula on this S12 equal to 360, so S12, if we apply the sum formula or Sn formula, so S12 should be equal to n upon 2 means 12 upon 2. First I write this, S12 is equal to 360 degrees. So S12 should be equal to 12 upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is 12, so that is why 11d equal to 360. So this will be 12 upon 2 is 6. 6, if we shift 6 towards the right hand side, so right hand side will become 60. So 2a plus 11d is equal to 60. Okay. But the value of d is a upon 2. 2a plus 11 a upon 2 is equal to 60. So multiplying by 2 on both sides, this will become 4a plus 11a is equal to 120. So 15a will be equal to 120. So a has become equal to 8. Okay. So what is a? A is the smallest one, this one, the first one. So that is why a, this should be in degrees, and this is the answer for question number 16. Question number 17 is about the arithmetic series has first term a and common difference b. Uh, the sum of the first 25 terms means S25 is 15 times the sum of the first four terms S4. Okay, we have to find a and d. So now we go to the this one and okay. So question number 17, size 1.3. Question number 17. As given, sum of first 25 terms, sum of the first 25 terms is 15 times of the sum of first four terms. So now if we apply the SN formula on this, so this will become equal to 25 upon 2 2a plus n minus 1. So n minus 1 means 25 minus 1. So this will become 24d. Okay. And then 15 and then 15 upon 2, 2a plus 4 minus 1 means 2a plus 3d. Right. So this will be 25 upon 2. And we can take 2 common from here. A plus 12d. Here we have this should be 4. So 4 upon 2 is 2. 2 15s are 30. 2a plus 3d. Okay. So so 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, and then 5 6 are 30, and 5 5 are 25. Okay. Now we multiply 5 with the bracket. So 5a plus 60d is equal to 12a plus 18d. So 5a, what we have to find? We had to find find a in terms of d. So 7a is equal to 60 minus 18, 42. 42d. So a is equal to 6d. Okay, a is equal to 6d. So this is basically the answer for part A. I did not mention this is part A, so I should mention here A. Now part B is to find find the 55th term in terms of A. We have to find the T55 in terms of A. So T55 by Tn formula is A plus 55 minus 1 means 54D. So the value of A is 60. No, in terms of A, sorry. So A will remain A plus 54. If we use this relation, this one, so D is equal to basically A upon 6. So this will become 6 ones are and 6 nines are. A plus 9A will become 10A. And this is final answer for part B. Question number 18. The eighth term in an arithmetic progression is 3 times the third term. So it means T8 is equal to 3 multiplied by T3, because that is given 3 times of 3D. And show that the sum of the first 8 terms is 4 times the sum of the first 4 terms. Okay. So 18 as given, 8th term is equal to 3 times of third term. This is what which is given. Okay. And so we can write this as A, if we use the Tn formula, A plus n minus 1 means 8 minus 1, 7, D. And this 3 is here. And then formula for T3 is A plus 2D. So A plus 7D is equal to 3A plus 6D. Okay. So now we have D equal to 2A. Okay. D equal to 2A. Now we have to show that which is the requirement of the question. We have to show that the sum of first 8 terms is means S8 is 4 times of the first 4 terms. Means S8 should be equal to 4 times of S4. Okay, so S8 is, if you use the formula, the Sn formula, n upon 2 means 8 upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 means 8 minus 1, 7d is equal to 4, then S4. S4 means n upon 2 means 4 upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 means 4 minus 1, 3d. So this will become 4. That 4 and this 4 will be cancelled. So we will have 2a plus 7d is equal to, this will be 2 to the 4a plus 6d. Okay, now we will put the value of d, which is d is equal to 2a, as we found in the beginning. So 7 multiplied by 2a. 2a. So 14a, 2a, 16a. Here 6 to the 12a plus 4a, 16a. So this is how this is proof that sum of 8 terms is 4 times the sum of 4 terms. The first term of an arithmetic progression is cos square x and the second term is 1. Write down an expression in terms of cos x, which is part A, for the seventh term of this progression. So we do part A at first. Part B is show that the sum of the first. Okay, we do part A at first. Write down an expression in terms of cos x for the right. So now we go back to the whiteboard. Okay, 19 part 19. The given is A. The first term is cos square x, and the second term is T2, which is 1. So we can find the difference. So D is equal to T2 minus T1. So this will be 1 minus cos square x. Okay, so we have found the difference as well. In part A, what we have to do in part A, we have to find T7 in terms of, means seventh term in terms of cos x. T7 in terms of cos x. This is the requirement. Okay. So by formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T7 will be equal to A plus 7 minus 1 means 6 D T7. So what is A? A is cos square x plus 6. What is D? D is 1 minus cos square x. So cos square x plus 6 minus 6 cos square x. So this will be 6 minus 5 cos square x, and this is the answer for part A. Now part B. For part B, we go back to the slide. This one. Yes, if you see, show that the sum of the first 20 terms of this progression is 20 plus 170 sine square x. We have to show this. Okay. So in part B, we have to show that sum of 20 terms is means S20 to we have to show what we have to show. S20 is equal to 20 plus 170 sine square x. This is what we have to show. Okay. So now we do this. So S20, because S20 is equal to 10 upon 2 means 20 upon 2. 2a, what is a? A is cos square x plus n minus 1 into d. N is 20. So this will become 19, and d is, the value of d is 1 minus cos square x. So this will become 10 2 cos square x plus 19 minus 19 cos square x. So this will become 20 cos square x. Oh, we should not multiply this at first. 10 will remain as it is. Minus 19 and plus 2, minus 17. So 19 minus 17 cos square x. Now we multiply 10 with 19 will become 190. and 170 cos square x. But we have to give the answer we have, in terms of sine. So we can convert this into 190 minus 170 cos square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x. So 190 minus 170 plus 170 sine square x. So 190 minus 70 is 20 plus 170 sine square x, and this is what we have to show.